dad first got me an old computer. It ran MS-DOS, and I think that was about it. No, it ran Windows 3.1. And I used to go in there and play the flight simulator. Like, you had a choice between Windows and Flight Simulator. And I really fell in love with that. And then going from there, I just kind of grew into I guess you can call it an obsession with technology. But I've had everything from, PlayStation Portables to Nintendo 3DSs, that kind of stuff, down to the more hated of gadgets, like the Nokia N-Gage, which is like a phone gaming hybrid back when they weren't popular. And just in general, I love all things technology. I have a lot of Apple devices, everything from MacBooks to iMacs to iPhones, with also a little bit of Android too, with Google's Google TV, HTC Evo, things like that. I watch a lot of TV. It's a hobby of mine. And I was looking for a program or application that could kind of help me keep track of where everything is in your TV shows and your movies. I want to know, if I'm watching this show and this show, where am I at in show A, where am I at in show B if I want to watch the entire thing? And I couldn't really find anything at that time that did that. So it kind of grew out of that, of a necessity to kind of track my TV watching habits. And from there it grew into something bigger, to where now you can track your TV shows, you can add TV shows, see when the next show is coming up, track movies that you want to watch. If you use certain different programs to manage your TV shows on your computer, you can use that. I mean, it integrates into a lot of different things that kind of grew out of the simple idea of wanting to keep track of a hobby that I like to do, which was TV watching. Probably around December 2012, if the world doesn't end, or January 2013. I'm looking to kind of port it over to Android, get it up and running on Android. But even beyond that, possibly, of course, some Mac apps to go along with it. But also Windows 8, because Windows 8 looks pretty awesome with their new design style. I'd really love to see my app on a Windows 8 machine. I want to go as a developer. I want to make sure that I'm fully versed in as many different languages as possible. When it comes to computer languages, of course, so everything from C++, Java, Python, Perl, all the way up to HTML, JavaScript, and the website and things. I want to make sure that as a programmer and as a developer, I'm able to really encompass a wide range of different programming activities you can do. I love salsa. I could live off of it. I make my own salsa. I get some from different other places. Essentially, when it comes to chips and salsa, I'm down for almost anything. I drive a hard-top convertible. So, just driving it down the street, it looks like a normal car up until you hit the button and all of a sudden it folds back, just like I guess you can call it a transformer. It looks pretty cool. My girlfriend and I work for the same company, and she wouldn't admit it, but depending on the day, depending on the shift, at times I am her direct boss.